Hey y'all, wow, I always do this. I never know how to start a video. Well, hey y'all, I am back from TorCon. It's been a week since I've been back, and oh my god, it was amazing. I don't know how long this video is gonna be, but I'm just gonna talk, and I don't have really any video clips, so if you want to, you can listen to me ramble on for a while, or you can leave, it doesn't matter. But anyway, TorCon, oh my god, it was amazing. I got there way too early, that's for sure. I went with my cousin this year, so I wasn't really alone, which was good. I am sick too, so if I start coughing, I am sorry. Oh my god, I don't know what to talk about. Okay, I am gonna start Friday. What happened? Rich and Rob. Oh, I have the schedule. That would be good to look at maybe, but I am not gonna do that. I'm just gonna talk. Friday, I met Rich and Rob during my photo ops, which resulted in this. I still don't know how to put little thingies on the side here, so I'm gonna be boring and just show you the physical photo, but it's me, Rich and Rob, and oh my god, they're adorable. And Chris Schmelke, I'm sorry if I am saying your name wrong, but Chris, thank you so much for taking my photos this weekend if you're watching this, which I doubt you are. But anyway, thank you so much. You did an amazing job, and just thank you. I don't know what to talk about. The panels were good. Ruth had to cancel. Who plays Rowena? I am drawing a blank. But who came? Elena came, and her plays, who plays Abaddon, and it's my second time seeing her, so she's always fun. Friday, karaoke. That was good. Oh my god, I'm so bad. I don't know what to talk about. Okay, Saturday, my Misha photo. Oh my god. He remembered me from last year, which was, he's my baby. I love Misha so much. I actually got two photos, kind of. I only noticed one at first, and I went back into where, like, they keep all the photo ops, and I found a second one. And I don't know which one I like more. One of them, you're kind of like, oh, that's pure Misha face. The other one, it's like, he's giving me this look like, are you okay? But, that's the one that's, like, pure Misha, and his adorableness. I don't know if you can see that well. But yeah, me and Misha, I was so boring this year and just hugged everyone. This one I like more though. Yeah, he is an adorable little angel and he's beautiful and I love him. But I also bought a Misha autograph this year. I have a homemade like hunter's journal and stuff. But anyway, I'm gonna like block out some of this. That's like Misha's autograph right there, kind of, you can see. And then he drew me this little design here, which I love, and I actually went out, when was it, 2 days or so after the con, and hey, surprise, I got it tattooed, because, I love Misha. What else is there to say? He's been really amazing the past 2 times I've met him. My first year, I don't know if y'all have seen the video, but I was dressed as Cassiel, and I was like crying at his panel, unable to talk to him and stuff. But he remembered me too, and he's like, oh yeah, you're doing better this year, you're actually talking to me, and I'm like, yeah, and because I went last for his autograph, so I had a bit more time to talk to him and stuff. And we hugged a few times, and then I told him that I wanted the tattoo, because I was kind of considering it last year, and he did it for me this year, and I'm so happy with the way it turned out. It's still, like, healing right now, and that's really bad, like, quality. My camera's horrible, so I'm sorry, but, yeah, I love it. I love Misha, and I'm sorry, I dropped my photos. 1 minute. Okay. Then Sunday, okay, I don't even know what to talk about, so I'm just talking about my photo ops. Sunday, I met, well, of course, you know, if you've gone to a con, Jared and Jensen come on Sunday, and, I go last for all my photos because I have this situation that happened last year. I recorded this video last year after it all happened, and then I decided not to post it. But basically some stuff happened, and everyone remembers me because of it, which I don't know if that's a good thing or not. But Chris, Cliff, I get the names confused. They both remember me. Chris, the camera guy, and Cliff, Jared Jensen's bodyguard. He remembered me as well. So I had my Jensen photo, which I went last for, and I was so nervous, like, walking up to him and stuff. So he pulls me into a hug right away, and then we do our picture hugging, because I am so boring this year. And oh my god, he is, like, so damn beautiful. Look at that face. It's like, oh my god. And then after that I'm like, hey Jensen, can I have another hug? And he's like, oh yeah, sure. And then I'm going away, and then he pulls me even tighter, and I got like 6 hugs from him. Oh my god, he smells so damn good. Oh my god, it's beautiful. And I walked away smelling like him for like an hour. It was perfect. I couldn't stop like sniffing myself, which looked kind of weird, but ugh, I wish I had that scent still on me. After my Jensen photo, Cliff, he told me to just wait around, because they were doing, I think, the Jared Jensen duo next. So he went back and he said, I'm gonna go get Jared, bring him out a few minutes early for you so you can get your photo done first and stuff, because all the things that happened last year. So I got my Jared, and I cried into his shoulder, and he is so nice, and it's just a boring hugging photo, but I love it, and it's like my background to everything now, and I love him. And I also decided to get a Jared Jensen duo photo, because why not? They're my boys, and I love them, so, oh well. Later I went to Jared's autograph table somehow. I'm not gonna go into the story, but I got his autograph in here as well. He wrote always keep fighting, and then he did his signature, and where my hand is I'm like covering a little private message he wrote for me, because I explained my situation last year, and I'm not sure if he remembered, but he really did something amazing for me last year, and I told him about that, and I thanked him. And then he wrote this message, and I'm like, oh my god, and I cried, and then it looked like he was about to cry, and I'm like, no, Jared, my baby, don't do that. Oh my god, it's been an amazing weekend. Oh, I got made fun of by Mark Shepard as well, sort of, for the second time. Last year he was like throwing wads of paper through my halo when I was dressed as Cass, and he called me ridiculous. But this year, while waiting in line to get signature from Loudon Swain, he's like coming up to everyone in line, who's your favorite member and stuff, and I'm like, I can't choose, don't make me. And he's like, oh, I'm making you choose. I'm like, all of them. He's like, no, you're choosing. I'm like, you. No, not good enough. Who? And I'm like, Rob, I'm sorry. Everyone in Loudon Swain, because I love you all.